guys, so I'm gonna prepare some chicken soup. So we have going on here. I'm gonna make some more, but the chicken is already cooked, so I'm going to just take out the chicken and put it in here because I don't want to overcook it. Here it is. And we're gonna add some water in here. So let's add a water in there. Okay guys, so there is the water, so I'm just gonna cover it so the water could boil. And while that is starting to boil, we're gonna use this pasta. I'm just gonna put it in here with a little bit of oil. So we're gonna add the oil right now. Just like this. Just like that. And we're just gonna wait until it heats up. And after it heats up, we are going to add the soup in the water and all the ingredients. So I'll see you back when I am doing the soup. Okay, so I'm cooking the pasta with oil like this. It's just for it just needs to be a little bit brown. And after that it's nice and brown, I'm just gonna put it to the side. You don't want it really burnt, you just want it really burnt. Alright guys, so this is nice and brown. So we're gonna turn this off. And this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna set it to the side. And let's look at the water. The water needs to boil, so it's not ready yet. So I'll be back when everything is all said and done. Alright guys, so it is boiling, and we're gonna go ahead and add this in there. Okay. We're gonna give it a good stir. And tomato sauce, like this one. And just open it. Okay, and now I'm going to give it a good stir in here. Okay. This Norse. This is how much we're going to add. We're going to add 2. Like that. And now we're going to give it a good stir. Like that. Okay, now we have to wait. Gonna cover it and give it about 20 minutes. So we're gonna put and after 20 minutes I'll be back. Alright guys, so the soup is finished. So we're gonna turn it off. And there you go. That is the final touches of the soup. And that's it. So super easy. I hope you guys like it, enjoy it, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.